Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics, because low power or wrong output often causes delay. Turn Bluetooth off and back on. This forces a fresh handshake. Make sure Airpods show as connected in settings Bluetooth and that your media app is closed so no background process holds the stream. Once done, check Control Center for AirPlay output and select your Airpods explicitly. This quick reset eliminates many transient latency issues and prepares you for the deeper fixes that follow. Now you perform the more thorough fixes that address pairing glitches and firmware mismatches. Forget the Airpods and Bluetooth, then repair them from scratch. This clears cached profiles that can introduce lag. If that fails, reset the Airpods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, which reinstates factory firmware pairing behavior. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS because updates often include Bluetooth optimizations. Install updates, then repair once the phone restarts. Finish by isolating remaining issues. Play audio in multiple apps and a video to see if delay is universal or app-specific. Make sure low power mode is off, since it can limit background performance, and remove nearby Bluetooth accessories that might interfere. If sound is still delayed, check for interference from Wi-Fi on 4 GHz by moving to a different room or toggling Wi-Fi briefly. If none of this helps, contact Apple support for diagnostics. There may be a firmware or hardware fault that needs repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.